Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So let's get started. In today's video, I will show you how to make the basic stitches of crochet. How to knit the basic stitches of crochet. Yes, I have knitted a chain for sample. Now I'll make the single crochet. This is one of the basic stitches of crochet. Single crochet. You can see it is a very slow motion video for the beginners. Yes. Put inside your hook. In this way, pull the thread. And knit 2 of 1. So once again, put your hook inside, pull the yarn. These are 2, knit it to 1. Similarly, just put your hook inside, pull the yarn and knit the 2 yarns to 1. This way. Yes. Hope you will enjoy and like the video. This is the most basic stitch. Yarn over from inside the chain, pull the yarn. These are 3, make 2 of 3, now 1 of 2. This is the double crochet stitch, which is also a basic stitch for beginners. So this is very simple and easy. You can do it yourself. Yes. You will just yarn over on the hook, put your hook from inside the chain and pull the yarn and make 2 of 3, then 1 of 2, and then this is done. This is the single crochet and this is the double crochet. You can see. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.